most Nigerian youths, they are lazy.
Welcome to Abeokuta Computer and Mobile Phone Village, IBARA roundabout, Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria, west of Africa. Welcome to the place popularly referred to as Tarmac. This is a place where thousands of young Nigerians earn a living from sales of both new and used mobile phones, sales of phone accessories, laptops, notepads, iPads, and other tech gadgets and accessories. Of course, the repairs of phones and replacement of parts of these tech tools used by millions of Nigerians, especially those resident within Abeokuta, the state capital of Ogun State, guarantee additional source of income for young people working in this place. In addition to providing employment for young Nigerians, Abeokuta Computer Village provides solutions to problems faced by people who use mobile phones and other tech gadgets. Open Television Naija takes you on a first ever exclusive institutional documentary on what some have said could be developed to become the Silicon Valley of Abeokuta.
Báwo ni ìbáṣepọ̀ yín pẹ̀lú àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ tó wà níbẹ̀? Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ lábàbí?
A dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run bá ó ti di mo jẹ́ alága tí mo jẹ́ chairman nínú ọjà tí mo jẹ́ chairman gbogbo àwọn ẹgbẹ́ àtàfóònù pátápátá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn tí orúkọ ẹgbẹ́ wa ń jẹ́ Mobiatech sábà ṣọ̀tẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n mobile phone dealers and technicians association of the state òun tó dẹ̀ wà under register of CAC tí mo lè jẹ́ alága lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Unfortunately, Nigerian youths have been described as lazy folks in some quarters in recent times. Open Television therefore sought to know the opinions of young Nigerians located within the Abeokuta Computer and Mobile Phone Village about these subjects.
Àwọn tó sọ ọdún nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ọ̀lẹ àti ìmẹ̀lẹ́ ló ń ṣe àwọn youth Nàìjíríà. Ìlú ilé sọ pé wọ́n rí sọ wọn ọ̀dẹ̀ tí ń rí sọ.
Ẹ ṣàlàyé síwájú fún wa.
Gbogbo wa kọ́ lọ bí ní ibi kan náà. Àwọn kan wà ilé mi yìí tí mo ṣe wà. Ìgbà tí mo dé Tarmac mo jáde school ní 2005. Mo rí pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tàti jáde tó ti ṣáájú mi jáde gbogbo wọn ló ti ní certificate ọlọ́wọ́ èyí tó ti wà iléeṣẹ́ tó ti ṣe tán tó ti sáà òrìṣẹ́ ṣe wọ́n máa lọ ṣe bíríkìlà ni. Bí ẹ̀mẹ́ta ni mo tẹ̀lé wọn lọ kó blọọkù ní pàjá lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí mo máa ń bá wọn ru blọọkù káàkiri. Ìgbà tí mo dẹ̀ rí pé iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe ìwà láàrin lójoojúmọ́ owó náà àti fi jẹun àti fi wọ mọ́tò wọ́n á rò pé ókè kí ni mo lè ṣe tèmi náà máa fi múnú àwọn èèyàn ọ̀dùn. Ìgbà tí mo ṣe tán ni mo fi wá kọ́ṣẹ́ fóònù.
In pursuit of a common purpose, survivor with little or no support from government in the first instance.
I don't really think I need to defend that because we all know that every one of us here can survive without struggling one way or the other to survive. Because here in Nigeria, nobody can survive without working one way or the other to meet for means of survival. I mean, so far we are living, though it might not be to our own standard of living that we so dream for. So as long as you are still surviving, maybe you are able to provide shelter for yourself and for your family.
Let's explore how these young Nigerians, despite their varying tribes, educational backgrounds, religion, gender, have organized and continued to organize themselves.
Okay, in my own perspective, I would say truly most Nigerian youths they are lazy.
How do you mean?
Okay, now most Nigerian youths they don't want to work and eat from their sweat. That has always been my own perspective, and it is affecting us negatively. Okay. Most of Nigerian youth now, when you tell them to come, hey, come and learn work, come and do apprentice, so they will come, they will spend like 1 month, and they will quit. They quit. You understand? And do you know the reason why they quit?
Why?
Because they are always enticed with fancy things. Yes,
they want to make it big.
They want to spend extravagantly. So they don't want to start from the scratch.
ẹni tó bá ní ọ̀lẹ ní ọ̀dọ́ nàìjíríà bóyá kò wò dáadáa nítorí lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ wò báyìí tí a bá wo gbogbo àwọn abroad tá à ń sọ nípa ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ ló pọ̀ jù mẹ́ ọmọ nàìjíríà ló dẹ̀ pọ̀ jù ní gbogbo àwọn state ní gbogbo àwọn country ṣé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó lọ bẹ̀ẹ́ ṣé wọ́n lọ sùn ni iṣẹ́ ni wọ́n lọ ṣe ń bẹ̀.
No be for people like us. You understand? Because you watch when you say government now, we don't depend on government again. So this time around, most of us here now go school but no job. You understand? So instead of you to wait for government to do something for you, you will rather find something where you go dey do.
ṣe rí àwọn tó sọ pé ọ̀lẹ ló ń ṣe wá ẹ̀ ó délé ó bẹ́ bà ní láti ìgbà míì tá a ti bí èèyàn lọ́lẹ́ èèyàn ti wà tá a mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣọ̀lẹ bọ̀ ṣe rí lásìkò bójú ojú mi ni o bójú ojú mi ni o lè jẹgbẹ́ o ṣe rí àwọn èèyàn ń sọ́fà kò sọ́lẹ̀ o ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀ rẹ ni tó bá bòt tó jáde pé ọ̀lẹ làwọn èèyàn ó délé ó bẹ́ bà ní ó jẹ ya ni.
Whoever that is saying that Nigerians are lazy and the Nigerian youth are lazy, is a big slap on lungs. The reason why I say that is no one can say that because there is a maxim in law that says nemo pronon habe. You can never give what you don't have.
That's right.
Yes. Relating to what we are, the context we are talking about, we Nigerians, like for instance now, we are
quoting a legal terminology.
Yes, I'm a business administrator.
This is where you work.
Yes.
Wow. Obviously, you are a graduate.
Yes. I'm a graduate of business administration and management.
How many years have you been working here?
I've been working here for like 25 years ago now.
No food for lazy man. Paddy, double your work.
Hey, what's up, ladies Nigeria? This is your two-sided witty Wendy, and I'm here to tell you to keep watching OTV.